Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the best media upload quality in WhatsApp settings. This tells the app not to compress aggressively. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or strong 4G connection so uploads don't fall back to low bitrate. Also, record or export the video at 1080p or higher. WhatsApp can only preserve so much, so giving it a good source matters. These steps set the stage for better transfers and prevent early quality loss before you send anything. Now focus on the file itself and the method of transfer. Trim unnecessary frames and export using H.264 at roughly 3 to 6 megabits per second to retain detail while keeping size reasonable. Crucially, send the video as a document instead of a regular media file. That bypasses WhatsApp's default recompression. If you must compress to meet size limits, use a tool that preserves quality. This keeps edges sharp and minimizes blockiness. These choices control how much quality stays intact in transit. Finish by confirming the recipient opens the file correctly. Tell them to save it and view full screen, because in-chat previews can downscale. If the video still looks blurred, resend it as a document or share a cloud link so they download the original file. Make sure both devices run the latest WhatsApp version. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupt settings. These final checks solve most issues and get your video quality back close to the original.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.